These are the elevators at the SunTrust Plaza in Tampa, Florida. Let's go to 36. Elevator J, which is right here. I'm not sure what kind of buttons these are. Also, you can see the number 36 right there. See. Yeah, you can see all the floors you can go to. Let's go to the lobby. You've got to wait for car F. But yeah, so here's elevators F, G, H, I, and J. Come up to floor 36. And we're waiting on F. Here it is. And we're going to 1. These have different buttons. I mean, F has different buttons than a J. Different indicator too. Alright, while we're in the express zone, let's get a cab view. There's no certificate, at least inside the elevator. We're at 1. So yeah, elevators A, B, C, D, and E serve floors. It serves floors 2 and then 10 through 23, but I don't know where 3 through 9 are. So we're taking F back up. So it looks like Schindler modernized these, although I'm not 100% sure. They also, and 36. It has a voice, although it's kind of hard to hear. It doesn't change to 36 until the doors are like already starting to open. Let's use the handicap, because why not?
This serves floor 1 and 24 through 35. Please press again when you hear your destination. 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 1. This group serves floor 1 and
I think I just restarted. Let's just press it.
J.
Alright, so now we're waiting on J. Again, with the handicap, I think it just reads the floor. It just reads off like the list of floors, I think. So now we just have to wait. It may take a while, but I'll cut the video when it comes. It doesn't like light up or anything. Also, there's a key switch down here, which I think is for like hoistway access. Also, it looks like there's some like buttons inside, but you need a key to access them. So here's your cab view. Here's your inspection certificate. And here we are at the lobby. Alright, there it goes. And that'll be it.